Look how small it is. Oh! Hey everyone, so I just wanted to throw this into some sort of video. This might just be an extra video for the channel, just to show the guys who have sent me this some appreciation that it was really unexpected. But my studio is full of lighting, obviously, and it's all by the company NEEWER or NEEWER. I don't know really how to pronounce it, but I've got lights. I've got two here, one here, another one here. And they just reached out and they said, look, do you want to pick something off of our website? We love what you do. We don't really sort of mix with your niche as such, like hairdressing, but because I've got a studio space, they just reached out and said, pick something off the website. So I picked some lighting, because this background, I really want to get white. And I didn't really know what to do. I was looking at lights and it was really funny, to be honest. I was sitting here in the studio thinking, like, this background just doesn't look white enough. I need something to really make it pop. Maybe like an extra light here that, I don't know. I just wanted to bring the quality up even more. And just like flicking through, and I thought I'll just check my emails. Flick through my emails and I had an email from NEEWER. And they said, hey, like, we've just seen what you're doing. We want to collab. We'll send you, just pick something that you like off of our website, and we'll send you it over. So I just want to first of all say, like, thank you so much. I didn't expect it at all, but it's here. So yeah, I'm just going to delve into it. So some new studio lighting for the hair studio. So there's the company there. Well, actually, there's a better logo. The products you love with service you deserve. So when I was looking for a light and I wanted like a softbox, and they were like, yeah, like this is the one. So I've only seen pictures. I also love how all their stuff is packaged really well. So the tripod that my camera's currently on, all my lighting in here. There's a tripod there, which is NEEWER. What else is NEEWER? I've got a mic. I've got literally everything, and yeah, they just reached out. So thank you so much. But how they package everything like this? Oh yeah, ring lights at home. I think we've got 2 ring lights at home. Ring light here. Stacey's just left the salon with her ring light. It was the same company. So this is a softbox, and this is what's going to diffuse all of the lighting. Look how small it is. Oh, jeez, God, I think I've got bruised ribs. Oh, there we go. Bigger than I thought. So yeah, there we go. And then there's all the attachments and everything like that. So I just need to work out it all. But here is the light. This is a wireless remote. Oh, so it's remote as well. Nice. Here it is. It's like a proper pro light. And I'll tell you the model number when I get it out. So the CB60. Jeez, this looks legit, doesn't it? So I need to get a bracket for it. I think I've got just some tripods so I can try it. Power cable, and then that little shade. So instead of the softbox, I might put the shade on it for now, and I might put it like here just to light up the back maybe today. We'll put that on today. Look at this, like a proper studio light. We'll get it plugged in. And we'll see what it does. And I'll keep it rolling so you can see. But yeah, I've been struggling with my background, and it looks a bit grey. So I really wanted something just to make the background pop white. And I was looking at like Matt Beck's studio and everything. And he's got loads of lights. Similar to the lights I've got here, but he's got them all on the back. So right, let's plug this beast in, shall we? That is better, but it's a bit of a spotlight. So that's why I need the softbox on, I think. I think he's got it. There we go. We've got it. Alright, so not exactly, but there we go. Let's see what this does then. Right, I think that looks better. So yeah, this was just a quick video just to say thank you so much for NEEWER for sending me this really cool light, the NEEWER CB60. I'll pop the link in the description if you want to try and grab it yourself, but I think it's actually made that background really white. So I'm looking forward to shooting my next video. I'm going to be shooting the next video in a second. So if you want to see what it's like with the new sort of setup, click the next video and we'll see you then. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, if you liked a little bit of tech, let me know in the comments down below. See you in the next video.